Hi, it's Karen. In my last video, I showed you how to use virtual backgrounds in Zoom, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own custom Zoom backgrounds, either stills or videos, using Canva. Let's get started. Okay, look at this. We are at canva.com. That's C-A-N-V-A. Canva is an online design tool. You can do your social media images with this. You could do postcards, you could do flyers. And today we're going to use it to make a Zoom background. First thing we're going to do is go to the search bar and type in Zoom. And Zoom virtual background pops up. And you'll see lots of lovely different backgrounds. This is a nice one. You can download this and customize it. Let's try that one today. Double click on that. And you can see that we've got text here. You can change the text, highlight that, put in your own name. Karen Bordowitz. Zoom Diva. And then you can put your own logo in. I'm going to delete this one. Okay, let's go ahead and create something. Let's click on the aquarium one. That looks like a lot of fun. Yeah, you can customize this by adding your own text. You can use a heading, a subhead, and a little bit of body text, or you can use one of their pre-made combinations. Let's do cheers. We'll do a happy hour, custom happy hour one. Let's see, I think change the color to white. Instead, cheers New Year's, we'll say happy hour. And we'll change that to white also. And then we'll add a logo. We'll go to uploads. And we'll just grab a logo that I have here. This is for my other playlist, Clean with Karen. And let's go ahead and download that. Now you got to go back to your Zoom app, and right down here next to the image of the video, there's a little arrow. Click on that, choose your virtual background, and then click on the plus sign. And you can add an image or a video. Navigate over to your downloads. And there you have one of the images, and I'll go to the video that I added, the aquarium one, the underwater one. And oh, looks like I am swimming in happy hour. Well, that's fun. So there's lots of Zoom backgrounds to choose from at Canva. You can use one for your office meetings as a teacher, for family get-togethers, for Zoom happy hours with your friends. Just make it a little bit more interesting with a custom background. Oh, look at you. Do you see all the fishies on the screen? Do you see the fishies? Do you hate this very much? Yes, I hate being in a Zoom video very, very much. Thank you for watching my video. If you like what you see, please subscribe. We put out new videos every Saturday. Stay safe, wash your hands, disinfect everything. Bye.